Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a continuation on my Louis Vuitton Advent Calendar. So a week ago, I actually did an Advent Calendar, so those were just 12 days. And I'm gonna have to put the link right here at the top if you wanted to watch that, if you're interested. So right now I will be doing a continuation for my Advent calendar. Okay, so let me start with the day one right here. So this is the number one. So there were 12 of them, so let me start with the number one. And here's the item, and let me show you what I've got. So the first item for my part 2 of the Advent calendar, it is a Louis Vuitton pochette accessory. I mean, this is one of the Louis Vuitton iconic pieces, and I got this years ago, and I love it. It is one of my most favorite, most used, one of the most versatile pieces from Louis Vuitton, and also the price during that time when I got it is highly reasonable. I guess it is around $500. So this is how it looks. It has this natural cowhide leather right here. It is also known as vachetta right here. I got the one that's made in France. It does seem to look like the patina looks really good, and this is the only one on the purse itself that has this vachetta. So on the back as well, this one has a gold hardware. It does seem to look like it still looks shiny on the other side as well. And it has the zipper right here, the pull tab, which is also in gold. I put this is a Louis Vuitton ribbon. The reason why I put that, it's because sometimes it is so hard to just pull this right here, the pull tab. And when I put this, it's a little bit easier. And also, it actually, since you're not really touching the hardware, so more likely I didn't see any wear on this pull tab right here. That's because most of the time I just touch it using this ribbon. It's quite convenient. The zipper is very smooth right there, and on the inside, it is just, look at the opening, it is actually wide because this one is made up of the classic monogram canvas right there, this side, the other side at the bottom. And one thing that I love about this piece is that it is not made up of one continuous piece of canvas. See that there, you will see the Louis Vuitton up front, at the back, and I love that. Sometimes I dislike items that are made up of one continuous piece of canvas, because when you look at on the other side, it's like the other way around. The LV logos are the other way around. I don't know if it's just me, but I just that bothers me a little bit for some reason. So anyway, let's take a look at inside. Obviously, I have the vachetta strap right here. Never use it, or maybe I used it once. I've actually never used this at all. And I have the insert right here, which is pretty thick, that actually adds a lot more structure of the bag. So if you have one of these, I would suggest for you to get the insert, so it helps the structure of the bag itself. It's actually looking really great right now with that. And on top of that, it also helps the interior clean as well. So if you want to put makeup or anything like that, you're not going to be able to put, you know, marks or dirt or some sort of stuff in the on the interior itself, the interior lining, that's because you already have the organizer. I love the organizer. It has a pocket right here and it is very nice. Let me just take this one out so we'll be able to see the inside. The inside looks like this. It has a flat pocket right here. Oh, I still have this stuff left inside. So it looks very clean inside, and I have this for a little over more than a year, I guess. I don't remember, but I remember I got this for around, it was when it was still $500, and right after that it was to $600, and then the price increased and over, so it's crazy. So anyway, so that's just how it looks inside. Okay, there's just the one slip pocket right here. So let me put this one back. So just so easy like that. It is one of my most favorite from Louis Vuitton, and I would highly recommend it. But right now, the biggest question about this piece is that, is it still worth it? I got this for around $500, and right now this one is priced as $1,050 US. It is so hard to get this piece, guys. Even before the price increase, it is so hard to get a hands on these. And a few months ago, I went to the store. I spoke to my essay. If you ever came across with one of the pochette accessoires that made in Spain, let me know, because I wanted to add one more. Actually, just kind of told me that there is going to be a price increase, especially with the pochette accessoire, with all the yeah, they will be doing a price increase. But right now it's $1,050 plus tax. It's $1,000 and maybe $1,175 US. It depends because it varies. Taxes varies though. So anyway, is it still worth it? Well, personally, I use this quite a lot, especially if I'm using my large purse. I tend to use this more than my toiletry pouches. That's because it is so versatile. I could just literally take my chain strap from my Philly C pochette and use it with this, and then you could literally just dress it up right there. So you don't have to carry a lot of bags, especially if you're traveling. Any straps will work for this because the strap that came with it is removable right there. It was just on a shoulder bag strap like that, but you could just add any kind of strap on this particular piece. And yeah, so the question is it still worth it for $1,000? I personally think it depends though. It depends on if this particular piece actually could find a lot of uses in it. I think it's worth it. But in my side, since I got this for around $500, I don't think it's worth it, really, because for the reason that you just have to add few $100s to get the real bag. So the Speedy 25 is actually priced as $1,350 US right now. That's before tax. And few $100s, you'll get the bag, right? And then $1,050 for this. This is not really a full bag. This is just like a pouch. You can use it as a clutch, whichever way you want it. And it doesn't make sense really to get this right now with the price right now, where you could get a Speedy 25 for $1,350. And also, if you wanted a strap, you could go to the Speedy B, Speedy Bandolier, which is around $1,690 US. That's for Speedy Bandolier 25. That's the smallest one that they have. So yeah, but it's all up to you. All I know is I find a lot of uses in this. It is one of my most favorite purse. It is durable. I didn't see wear in here. I didn't see, like, because I took care of my stuff. That's why I did not abuse this at all. It is still looking like it is brand new with the help of the organizer, really. So, except for the vachetta though, it actually shows some patina right there. Right there. It started to oxidize. And yeah, so look at this one. I'm gonna show you my pochette. This was crafted this year and it's made in Spain. So like I mentioned, I spoke to my essay regarding this piece, that if you came across with the one that's made in Spain, let me know, because I wanted to add one more of these in my collection. How much I love it. This is how much this is how useful this stuff for me though. So I got the made in Spain right here. This is the comparison between the two. So you could literally see that the one that's made in France on my left has patina, and on the right it is brand new. It hasn't patinaed at all. So yeah, but this one is more structured though at the bottom. So this is the France, this is the Spain right here. This one is, yeah, they were crafted differently. So, but so far, wow, I was totally in love with this purse. I would highly recommend, especially if you just started collecting Louis Vuitton. This is perfect. But mind you that the price is, this is $1,050 right now, and it is so close to the Speedy 25. So the inside, this is how it looks on the inside. Yeah, it is just pretty much the same though. This one didn't have a date code. That's because this was crafted this year, and this one has a microchip already. Look at that. It's very shiny, very lovely. And so far, yeah, no, there would be no wear and tear on this piece, because this one I haven't really used it. I haven't used this one yet, and she's so beautiful. She's so precious to me. So yeah, so this is the first item that I would highly recommend to those of you who are looking for some Louis Vuitton iconic pieces. One of their most versatile pieces so far. I don't know if you could, I don't know, because I only get to find out if the item is available or not when I speak to my essay if I was looking for it. But of course, my essay would not going to tell me anything if I am not looking for something. The stitching for this is perfect. Perfection. This is one of the Louis Vuitton items that I would say it was crafted with perfection. The stitching is amazing. So anyway, that's it for today, guys, and see you on my second video. Bye.